Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. Install required dependencies first. We need to install the dependencies required by SpiderFoot. Open a terminal and run the following command. Clone SpiderFoot from GitHub. Next, we need to clone the SpiderFoot repository from GitHub. You can do this by this command. Install SpiderFoot once the repository is cloned. Navigate to the SpiderFoot directory and install it by the tool. Run the SpiderFoot after installation. Remember to use your IP addresses. Then open your favorite browser and go to your site. Congratulations! You have installed SpiderFoot on your server. If you have any question, please leave them in comment.